Hey guys, Simon from Van Creations here. This is just a quick video to show you how noisy the Planar heater is. We've had a few people asking us how loud is the diesel heating. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and just take a look under this T6. We've just finished installing some heating and let's go and take a look underneath it just to give you an idea on how loud the heaters are from underneath. Okay, so we've just finished installing this diesel heating and we're just commissioning it now, and as you can hear, that diesel heater is currently running and that's running at basically full power, and it's currently just ticking away nicely there. So this is how loud it is. And that's with us stood right next to it. And then on this side we've got a pump, and the pump there is the diesel pump, and that's also got a slight tick into it, but nothing too crazy, and you can't really hear that in the vehicle. This heater, I mean, it's more the blower and the fans that make the noise rather than the actual heater itself. The heater is very quiet, and we'll go inside and I'll show you what it sounds like inside. So here we are on the inside, and the heater again is still running on full speed. So this is our control panel, it's comfort controller, and as you can see here, we've got 13, we've got the temperature set to 22, it's running, it's got 46 minutes left of the running that we've set, and it's currently 13 degrees inside the van. So that is all running, 12.1 volts in the battery, and 45 minutes left of the run time. It's 3 minutes past 6, and that heater is running. So this is how loud it is inside the vehicle. Obviously that's not crazy loud, and if we get right up close to it, hear that heater running. That vent's running. These vents are directional slightly, not a huge direction to them, but you can rotate them round and just aim that slightly different angle. But obviously you can change these should you require something. You know, if you wanted a different spec, you wanted ones with flaps on it that close, or you want it with a sort of an eyeball socket one where you can rotate it round, then you can do that as well to create more of an angle. Sometimes if you've got furniture in here, then you're going to want one that's actually got a cowl on it, so we can rotate that round and angle it at 45 degrees coming out, rather than a flat one like this one. But yeah, so all in all, these heaters aren't too loud at all. So guys, I hope that helps give you an idea on, you know, what these heaters are like. It's pretty cold today, and this one's on in the background there, and it's just warming up the van nicely as we test it. And they're a great addition to your van if you're going to be using it all year round, because, you know, the last thing you want to do is be waking up freezing cold or not have any sort of heat source in the van to be able to make your camping as enjoyable as possible. So if you do require one of these, they currently start at £840 including that, fitted by us. And feel free to give us a shout. Have a look on our website for further details, and contact us if you wish for us to install one. Happy camping, people.